In this video, I will show you how to change download location in Windows 11. So if you want to learn how to change where your downloaded files are saved, make your downloads easier to find, and just keep your laptop or PC more organized, then make sure to watch this full tutorial. And if this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 and tech tutorials. Now to get started, what I'm going to do is just create a new folder on my desktop, which is going to be my new download location. So what I'm going to do is just create a new folder, and I'm just going to call this one test downloads. Now once I've done that, I'm just going to double click to open the folder, come up to the top to this address bar, click, and that's going to highlight the actual address for this folder. Then what I'm going to do is right click and copy this address. Now once that's done, on your file explorer, if you look to the left hand side, you're going to find your current downloads folder. What you want to do is click to select it, then right click onto the downloads folder, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto properties. Now what you want to do once you've got the properties window open is come up to the location tab at the top, give that a click, and this we can come to change your download location. So all you need to do is basically paste that address into the box here, and once that's done, click apply, and then on the pop-up that comes up, it's going to ask if you want to move all the files from the old location to the new location. So this is going to be for any previously downloaded files or folders. What you can do is just click yes on this. You can see it's just going to take a minute or two dependent on how much downloads you have. You can see I've actually got over 6,000 items, so it might take a couple of minutes to do this. So you can see we're just coming to the end of this now, so it's just finishing copying the final downloads from my old folder to my new download location. So you can see it's just finishing up now. Once that's done, what we can do is just click OK to exit out of the properties window. And if I actually minimize this, you can see our new download folder we created is now down here. So we can double click to open this up, and you can see all the downloads, and of course this is going to be the new download location. So that is how to change download location in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.